in the dog biscuits, we're showing two different technology platforms. Down on this tray, we're showing an unleavened dog biscuit sheeted to 4 millimeters, and then an unleavened dog biscuit sheeted to 8 millimeters. And the reason I say this is because these biscuits up here are made with our protected baking powder system, where it's actually sheeted to 4 millimeters, but you can see that it's basically the same thickness as the 8 millimeter product. Now the reason that's important is kind of twofold. You can either A, just make a established treat bigger, or you can make a current treat less dense so that the pet parent can do more treats per serving. And then this top shelf here is made with our lipid-based inclusion technology, just as a really easy way to add limited time offerings, seasonal items. This is particularly with a blueberry and a sweet potato. These are developed with APCO approved flavors and colors, and they're just a really easy drop-in lipid-based system to add variety to your products.